Aloha folks.
Good morning.
Hey, it's Friday, we know that.
But we have a crew and Zero is packed. We have 5 extra people on board and it's loaded with fun. So we're a little bit busy handling all the people and all the fun. Today there will be no regular episode for you. Just a quick update what's going on right now in our life.
Many people think we are still in the boatyard, and I gotta tell you, we are out of the boatyard already.
Yeah, we're in paradise. It
Yeah.
looks amazing here.
We sailed to French Polynesia, and at the moment we are in which is beautiful, and we are going to sail to the Tuamotus. Enjoy the scenery, there's way more to come.
Stay tuned.
Aloha now.